ba kgonne go efoga le roborobo la COVID-19 le melawana ya taolo ya metsamao ya batho mo dingwageng di le 2 tse di fetileng. Bontsi ka nako eo buile ba dira dithuto tsa bone ba le kwa gae. Ba tlhagisitse maikutlo a bone pele ba simolola go kwala pampiri ya ntlha ya sejatlhapi.
Ke tsogile, but I know like I'm gonna nail those exams. Like go tsama bona mjojo.
Ke bereka a ka robala, ke berekile ga matla and I had support from my family, and all of that.
It's really like my whole goal since ke thoma grade 8 ke fitlhe grade 12 ka 2022.
Ho tonya ho fisa pula ena boshiu furu he ba re bitsa matishara rana re tla.
Tona ya Thuto Angie Motshekga, tona kgolo ya mo Gauteng Panyatsa Lesufi le mokhuduthamaga wa thuto mo Gauteng Matome ba etetse sekolo sa Nellmapius gompieno.
Indeed, there are a cohort that face the worst storm of COVID, but on the other hand, teachers, everybody, professionals, lended a hand to support them, so they also had the most support.
Batswadi ba ikuetse go puso go ka emisa kgaogo ya motlakase nakwana go fitla bofelong ba ditlhatlhobo.
Di hard copy ga di dintsi mo di subjecteng tse bana ba di dirang a ba kgone go bula dibuka ge go sena mabone.
Barutwana ba ne ba itumetse thata go latela tlhatlhobo ya bone ya ntlha gompieno. Ba tlile go kwala economics le Afrikaans ka la bobedi le la boraro o tlang. Offense Timo, SABC News, Nellmapius, Mamelodi.
Kaulele marutwana ba Limpopo ba rele ha maemo a dikolo tsa bona ile a sa jeseng dithewelang. Ba ikemiseditse o sia letshwao pheletsong ya leeto la bona la thuto ya motheo. Batswadi ba re hona le mananeo a kentsweng tshebetsong e le hore barutwana ba be malalalaotswe ho ngola ditlhatlhobo.
To make sure that they get extra lessons during the weekends, during the holidays, so that at the end of the year maybe they can get a better result.
Ho sa le jwalo ha ile Mpumalanga lefapha la thuto le re le kgotsofaditswe ke ditlhophiso tsa ditlhatlhobo.
Will be comfortable if at least will be able to get more than 80% as we got before COVID-19.
Ditaba di sa le jwalo barutwana ba KwaZulu-Natal ba re ba keke ba dumella mohato wa kimollo ya motlakase ho ba sitisa ho ngola ditlhatlhobo tsa bona.
Studying is not about electricity, it's about how you turn yourself inside your heart.
The sleepless nights, all the work, it's such a bittersweet moment, honestly.
Lefapha la Nala Thuto le fane ka dithusa thuto ho barutwana ba dikolo tse ileng tsa thefulwa ke dikgohola ka Mmesa.
As the Department of Basic Education, we are pleased about what we were told about the status and the readiness of the examination, not only for the grade 12s, but for the internal grades, that since the floods, the province has done all what it is in its powers to make sure that all learners go back to school.
Lefapha la Nala Thuto le na le tshepo e tiileng ya hore ho keke ho eba le diketsalo tsa ho kopitsa nakong ya ditlhatlhobo.